So guys, when I got this work and I measured it, when I got this work, I brought it to my template and I measured it. I saw that here is 91, but the main distance is 2.3. So how do we make it this like that? We have to scale it. Have to select everything and type scale. Then they're writing down here specify base point. So let me use this one. I'll specify here as my base point. Then click on reference point. You click from start to the end here, or you can type in the distance. Then now you can type your new distance, what you want it to be. You want it to be 2300. Boom. Yes. So now you will come here and check again. Okay. Let's go and increase our dimension style so that we can see that length very well. Modify text height, put it 150 so that we can be able to see that. Two point one. That's just a quick one. Set as color. Good. And see our new dimension is now 2300. So that's how you get to scale your drawings to the new size. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time or watching my videos, remember to subscribe.